Alright, welcome to Infinity Trendy. Infinity Trendy is another software for forex trading from visionary Infinity Traders. It's another simple one, but as the name implies, a trend trading system. Trend. This one gives you basically trend. So look at this is a point that is to trade. We have three major indicators to consider while using Infinity Trendy. 1, 2, and 3. These three indicators, red, white, and yellow, these big ones, they are also repeated in a smaller form, red, white, yellow also. But the most important when trading on trend is the big ones. The smaller ones are like scalping. Okay, so yeah, when you see the big red crosses the small yellow upward, then trend is about to come down. If you see the big red crosses the small yellow downward, then trend is about to go up. So yeah, this is a trading point as it crosses this big white, as the big red crosses the small yellow, you have to take a sell order because trend is now coming down. So you take a buy, a sell order at this point, or at this point anywhere as it goes above the yellow and the other smaller lines. You take a sell order. It comes. Here is a retracement. Look here, this is another point of trade. As you see this, the big white crossing the big red, you cross. You come with a sell order. Place a sell order. Here it still goes the same thing as the red, the white and the red crosses the yellow downward. As the yellow is going above them, price will continue. That's the meaning. Look at it. It moved, continuous movement. Here, the white and the red are almost tossing each other. That's to tell you that trend is about to end. Assuming it tossed here, still the same thing. If it has tossed at this point, it would have still mean the same thing. So trend is about to go back. So at this point, you can take off your trade. And where you do not take it off, as you see these small whites leaving the other small red leaving the other smaller lines close to the trade, to the price line, take off, because here I've told you that trend is about to reverse. Take off your trade and you can take another trade as to buy, because as you look at it, market price is already coming to the red line. Here the small yellow have crossed the whites. Trend is going. Here confirmation, big red have crossed the yellow, the small yellow. So price has gone up. So this is a trading point. This is a trading point. Here is another trading point, confirmation. Coming to this point here, this is another point to trade. In fact, at this very point, where the red crosses the yellow, the big yellow, take a trade. Look, this is a retracement. Don't fear. Anyhow it goes, so retracement, it must go back. Okay, now it goes. Constant movement. Yeah, they will not come close to each other. But white, yellow and white have come very close. Here it came again very close, meaning there will be retracement. And it retraced. But white and red have not touched each other, have not get close to each other. So it must go back. So it retraced. Yeah. Even as it retraced, look at the white, the red. The big red does not cross the yellow. The big red does not cross the yellow. So it will not go far. It came and it reversed. Now white, even here the white too does not cross the red, meaning it's not a big trend. So here it has reversed. This is another trading point. At this point, take your trade and go with it. That is it. That is just it. Here it has here red, though this one, as it moved again, the red and the white have not come to touch each other yet. This is double trend. It's a double trend. This one trend is another trend, double trend. So at this point, as you see the yellow, as you see the red come to cross the yellow, in fact, anytime you see the red crossing the yellow, it's advisable you take off because there will be a retracement. But then, here is a clear indication again that it has crossed all the smaller lines. So price is now reversing. Don't bother about all this. These are retracements. It's a threat for resistance. So at this point it came down. Now this is another confirmation that trend is down. Red, white have crossed the red upward to cross all the other lines. So go with the trade. This is now a retracement that is taking place. So retracements. This is just a beginning of a trend, down trend. So this is the system. Then let us see some other previous capsules. Okay, look at it. This is a trading point, trading point, trading point, trading point. These explanations. This website has been changed. This link has been changed into softwares.visionschool.com. Okay, see another good trading point where you see this. Oh, this is fantastic. You see this, go with it, no doubt about that. Okay, so this is another place to trade. The red has come to cross the white and is also crossing the yellow. This is a point to trade because trend is up. Trend is up. Here is another trading point. Red just jump to come and meet it. Trend must come down. Look here, it has crossed the line. See retracements. It went far, but don't fear, trend is down. It's another point to trade. If you take a trade here and work against you, take another trade as it goes and continue your trade. Look at this. This is another critical area to trade. If you see this kind of a sign, you have nothing to bother. Just take your trade and go with it. Okay, see the explanation at the top, all written for you to understand. It's another point to trade. Red, you are trading upward because white is working against the price line. That is it. Okay, you can make actually these pips within a month and within a week. Easy to trade. Get a copy now at softwares.visionschool.com today. It's all for